Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. This is something new that I'm going to do today. I'm not on the bike. I've got 3 packages here to unbox, which is going to help improve the audio quality on my GoPro when I'm out cycling. So if you've seen my recent videos, you might have heard the wind noise being excessively overpowering the audio that's coming from the camera. So in order to fix that, I've gone and purchased an external microphone. This is the Edutige ETM 001, which has a 23 decibel high sensitivity microphone, and the GoPro 3.5mm adapter that connects the microphone to the camera, because the GoPro doesn't have it doesn't have a port to connect your microphone directly, so you will need to have one of these. And I've also got the Ulanzi V2 vlogging case for the GoPro. So the case that comes with the GoPro does not have access, so you can't access the side door with the camera, so I went and purchased this as well. So let's unbox one by one and then have a look what's inside. So first we've got the Edutige ETM microphone. Let's have a look. I'll put a link down to all these products in the description below, so you can have a look if you're interested. So the mic itself is quite tiny. Let's pop this out. There we are. That's the microphone. Very tiny. It's quite well built. Feels heavy, solid. I think it's gonna work brilliantly. So I came across this product from another YouTuber who also does cycling. I'll pop a link down to his video in the description as well. You can have a look at it. And the microphone also comes with a muffler. So that muffler sits on top of the microphone. Thing is done. There's nothing else in the box. Few instruction manuals, and that's it. Next to the big boy, we've got the 3.5mm adapter. That's the adapter. Let's have a look. So there's an instruction leaflet and the tiny adapter. Well, it's quite massive for the GoPro size. There we are. That's the GoPro adapter, proprietary mic adapter for the GoPro. Let's leave that to one side. That's all the rubbish somewhere else. And finally we've got the Ulanzi V2 vlogging case for the Hero 5, 6 and 7. Packing looks pretty decent. I'm impressed. So you get a sticker from Ulanzi and another sticker from Ulanzi. So as you can see on the picture there, you can use this as a vlogging setup, even if you're doing like lifestyle vlogs or travel vlogs. You can also use it for while doing your motor vlogging and even on the bike. Right, let's have a go and pop all this together. So let's take the GoPro out of its case. That's my Hero 7 Black. I've got to take the side door to access the HDMI and the micro USB port that's in there. So the door just slides open. You can just take it off, put it somewhere safe. So the GoPro slides inside the case like that, and then you feed the mic adapter through that axis on the side so that the connection, the HDMI connection, comes out through the others. You slide that in and then you bend the cable slightly like that, and you connect it to the HDMI there, and then the microphone will go on to the 3.5 mm jack on the side, and that's the setup all done, nice and tidy in it. So let me do a audio test with the mic and without the mic on the GoPro, and let me know if you find any difference with the audio. I'm also going to do an audio test while I'm out on the bike with the microphone and without, so you can have a look for yourself, and hopefully the video is useful for anyone who's looking for a budget oriented vlogging setup for your YouTube channel, or just for any casual user who wants a GoPro with better audio quality. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black audio test with the microphone in outdoor conditions. There's no wind today, very calm day at the moment. So this is the audio test with the microphone. Let me know how it sounds, and we'll compare the audio without the microphone. So this is the Hero 7 Black without the microphone attached. So the microphone is with me now, it's not attached to the GoPro. Let me know how the audio sounds still outside outdoor conditions. There's still a lot of breeze. I think it's a perfect day to test the wind sensitivity of this microphone. Heading towards Steers Cross now. It's 5:30 in the evening and it's still so warm, but it's nice to be out. The wind muff that's on at the moment is a bit finicky, especially when you put your camera in the back pocket. I might put some rubber band or tape around it so that it doesn't fall off. We'll be testing the camera without the external mic in a moment. So as you can see, the camera is now mounted to my chest. Let's see how the audio performs, and then we'll do a test on the chesty without the microphone, and then see how they compare. The camera is without the mic at the moment. Let's see how the audio sounds without the microphone. It's in my hand. The mic's back on. I'm just getting used to where all the ports are. So I hope this video has been useful. So earlier I mentioned that the microphone is omnidirectional, so it picks up sound 360 degrees. I've changed the audio settings to wind, and the mic input is at standard. I just want to know the difference between the sound quality from standard to standard plus. So I'm back after the ride. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And I've got a wind muffler that's different from the one that came with the microphone. This seems to do a better job in muffling out the noise because it's concealed deeper inside. It covers the whole microphone. I hope this should work better than the one that came with the box from the microphone. I hope you enjoy the content. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. That will be of massive help to me, and that will encourage me to produce more content. And if you'd like to see any changes in this channel, just let me know, and also press the notification bell to be notified. And it's lovely to know that I've had positive feedback on my previous video that was Ride to Kanath Waterfalls. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll pop a banner onto the side of the screen. Thank you for staying tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.